Hey guys, welcome back to Who's Got the Tea, where we explore all things tea. My name is Shayna Hu. I am a tea enthusiast exploring teas and taking you with me. All right guys, so today we have a heavy hitter on the board. This tea actually can look different, smell different, and taste different, and yet it is all the same one tea. This tea stands right in the middle on oxidization between a green tea and a black tea. If you know, you know. I'm talking about Oolong Tea. So Oolong Tea resides in the space between a green tea and a black tea in regards to oxidization levels. There are four main regions where Oolong Tea is cultivated from. They include Taiwan, Yangtze Mountains, Phoenix Mountains, and the Oolong Mountains. Most closely resembling the taste of green tea, the oolong in Taiwan is lightly oxidized in a convection oven and then placed on machines similar to this one to be rolled. From the Yangtze County of the Fujian province, oolong tea from Yangtze Mountains is slightly more oxidized than that of the Taiwan oolong tea. It is noted to have something similar to a subtle honey-like flavor. In the Phoenix Mountains, oolong tea comes from tea trees that have been grafted. Grafting tea trees allows for maintenance of the lineage. This acts as an insurance policy or guarantee that the type or variety of oolong tea being created will be consistent throughout. Teas from the Oolong Mountain most resemble a black tea because they are highly oxidized with a smoky aroma. This is a jasmine oolong tea. I got this from my tea bar. This little label is so helpful because it tells you exactly how much tea to use and what to steep it at. So let's take a look at our beautiful oolong. Upon further inspection, you'll find that the tea leaves are rolled. This rolling is very characteristic of oolong teas. This occurs by multiple cycles of processing. I also see light leaves as well as dark leaves, but that's just dependent on the stage in which oxidization was stopped. The term monkey-picked refers to high-quality oolong tea that comes from places of high altitude such as the Yangtze Mountains or the Oolong Mountains in the Fujian province. Legend has it that monks trained these monkeys to climb up in the trees and choose the highest quality tea leaves. Alright guys, so we finally have our oolong tea. Just based on smell, it has a very jasmine scent, and I already love jasmine, so I'm already on board with this oolong. Color-wise, it is not a pale yellow, but it's not a very dark amber either. I absolutely love this oolong. There's no bitter notes. It's so smooth, it's so clean. None of that bitterness that you get sometimes with green tea if you oversteep it. It tastes very good. I might taste a hint of citrus in this oolong, but it's very hard to tell. And I'm no oolong expert. Not knowing where on the spectrum it stood between a green tea and a black tea, I thought it would be stronger. It really feels like you're not even drinking something that's heavily caffeinated. But as we know, oolong tea does have a good amount of caffeine depending on how it's processed. It kind of just glides right on and glides right off. It's very nice. Wow, you guys are troopers. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you for learning about oolong tea with me. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I hope you guys are healthy. I hope you guys are safe. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.